Good morning. This video is for Lou. Just responding to your ad email in regards to the 2011 S1000RR. Now, 23,000 kilometers on the bike. 11,288 is the price. No other fees with that price. Okay, Lou. So it's just that plus taxes. Clean bike. Quick little walk around for you, so you can kind of see. We take all trade-ins as well if you're interested in maybe trading something in. If you have any other questions in regards to the bike or the car proof or whatnot, just respond back to the email and I can send you the link to our Carfax for this bike. But again, 2011 S1000RR. Very clean, very nice bike. Give the dealership a call, ask for Zach, that's me, or just respond to my email, and we'll go from there. Okay, thanks.